not gonna wheel too hard. Said that before. That little tiny pecker pole is the only thing keeping us from falling. That did nothing to help my confidence with what's gonna happen next. Virgin terrain here.
Oh, now we're in the
Yeah, I see where we are. I want to make the trail along this rock. Well, it's another rainy day in the yard, so could sit around inside, or could go traipse around in the woods. So yeah, we're back out of the heights today, and we're gonna go to the back 40. I did a little bit more cutting by hand, and we're gonna go smash my rig through there today. I'm running solo, well, solo except for Mrs. Pathmaker. I'm gonna kick her out to do some filming, but all by myself, so not gonna wheel too hard. Said that before. Anyways, let's fire it up, and we'll head up the hill, see what we can find. Heading up the driveway, and there's some future lines up there. It's always hard to see and hard to judge. There's no rigs on it, but we'll see. I also kind of want to drive up here. That looks good. We're gonna leave that alone right now. Forgot that I could rally up my driveway. Why would I drive slow? I have a bit of a plan. So we're gonna go this way. So this is virgin terrain here. And I always guess everything is, my rig is way smaller than it really is. Oh, apparently there's a big stump there. Oh, that was all on me. That was that. My bad. My bad. I let off. I admit it. I don't know if I'm gonna drive down here today. Let me go see. I will show you. This is where the trail is gonna go. But we're gonna drop down there. This is about the same size as Redline Hill, but I'm thinking if I smash my way down there and through the trees, I can loop back around to where I lost my belt, or I can cross the another swamp, and there's more rocks out there. But as we like to say, not today. Because I get to see myself stabbing the brakes at the wrong time, doing an endo pirouette, and ended up on my roof down there all by myself. But we have another option, because that's how we do around here. We are going to back up down these ridiculous rocks. We're going to go that way, and we're going to loop around. There's some more rocks in there, and then we're going to head in that direction. It's all theoreticals. Dying. Now that we're pretty much as far away from home as we can. Uh-oh.
Oh, jeez. Oh, well, we're gonna roll, aren't we?
I do believe we have, well, not really flopped. We haven't committed to the roll yet, but seeing that I'm by myself, this sucks. Okay. Be strong, little tree. Be very strong.
Would you like me to try and get out? Would you like a camera?
I want that. And then you're definitely gonna get out, but you're gonna wait till I get out of the way. Okay, now you can get out. Well, I knew this was gonna be a tight corner. If the boys were here, I would just reverse hard But if I'm by myself, I don't really want to put her on the roof there. I don't honestly know why we're still on 4 wheels. Oh,
We're on
with 3 wheels? Apparently we got one in the air. Look at what I've gone and done, but look at these rocks. There's good stuff over here. I guess I bit off more than I could chew. I should have swung a little wide, cut her, and then came up where I'm standing. Or I'm taking out these bad boys and continuing on the bottom, but that's kind of cheesy. Put the cable onto that tree over there, cinch it up real good, pull it nice and tight, and then, driver's hard reverse, and suck that rear back down. That little tiny pecker pole is the only thing keeping us from falling. I don't want to roll because I don't want to leave it on its roof here. And I don't think my winch has enough jammy to pull it back over by itself. Yeah, that's a crucial tree right now. Well, I'm not going to do too hard of things, says the guy who's about to roll his rig. That did nothing to help my confidence with what's going to happen next. Cool. Like nothing I did there made it less likely to roll over, so when I lean on it here. Nice!
Loosen off more. There you go.
Yeah, it's because of all the oil that I was talking about pouring on the side of the motor when it was parked on its side there. And nice! Plan B. I'm too scared to keep driving that way. Well, not today. So we're gonna back up over there and we're gonna loop around and we're gonna keep going the way we're going. But we're just gonna come at this from a little bit of a different angle. Because I don't feel like rolling my rig today. Well, that's where I almost rolled over there. So we're gonna keep going this way.
I know. It's wet out there.
Wow! Wait, we're not. That's not like stop. Wow. Here's the other one.
Oh, stop. Oh, now we're in the
Yes, this is where we're going to go. Now.
Are you sure? Oh, this is great.
Well, yeah, the swamp that Nick was scared to fall in is over there. That's where the swamp where Nick almost fell in. Up here is the way we get up the hill under the power line. So I don't think we're going any further today. Oh. Okay, well, the really deep soil kind of sucks. So over there we found the way up the hill to the back country. And now we're going to try not to roll and keep going this way. And head her back around to the swamp trail and the driveway. Over the base wash. You're getting huge. It's my fault. got stuck the other day, and this is the side that I didn't end up driving up. I guess I better be able to drive up that hill again, eh? Because I can't, you all know I can't winch it there by myself. Well, we're back into super uncharted territory. So let me take a look. This might have been fun. There's where we're trying to get to. This slog kind of sucks, but I guess we're just gonna keep plowing straight. Because the problem with this rock, oh, there's a big stump right in front of me. Whoa. Oh, I should have maybe been over here, but I don't know what I'm doing with this rock. I can't find it. This rock is bigger now that I got my rig out here, because I can't drive over it. I can't drop that side, but I want to make the trail along this rock and then loop around there. And then we're at the base of that hill that I was just too scared to drive down. It's over there somewhere. Okay, well, what I think the plan's gonna be is to back up a bit, come this way, and then up, and I cut over there. That heads us back over to Red Line Hill, because I don't think I'm heading further into the rocks. There's also another spot over the edge that we can do. I have not thought about this at all from below, so I haven't trimmed any branches or anything. I don't know if we fit.
Oh! Hey, look, where's the truck?
Ta-da!
Surprise!
Well, I don't know if that was any good to watch. We just came down right through here. I didn't really realize those boulders were in there. And I definitely didn't trim any branches. But another new route up Redline Hill. Anyways, so that was probably really hard to hear and really hard to see because it's really wet out here. And solo show, so I was a bit chicken, but we had fun, didn't we? I need to figure out why my rig doesn't want to turn left very well anymore. We'll call her another day of yard wheeling in Pathmaker Heights. Got a few more trails kind of cut open. Just need to run them again and again. Need to bring some of the guys in here so we can do them the full proper way, but it's a start. So lots more wheeling to come, and we'll get the boys back out. We'll smash some more trails around here. Cheers, boys.